This massive mountain on Mars makes Mount Everest look like nothing more than a hill. This is Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is a massive volcano on Mars that is believed to be the largest mountain in the entire solar system. Located near the Martian equator, Olympus Mons is at least 72,000 feet high, although some estimates place that height closer to 85,000 feet. For reference, that makes Olympus Mons between 2.5 and 3 times higher than Mount Everest, which has an elevation of 29,032 feet. But even more impressive than its height is Olympus Mons' size. In total, the volcano is roughly 370 miles wide and covers an area similar to the size of the state of Arizona or the country of Italy. But there actually is a downside to being so large. Despite its incredible height, because Olympus Mons is so big, the slopes from base to summit are very gradual, only about 5%. So even though it looks insanely impressive from space, if you were dropped onto the slopes of Olympus Mons, you probably wouldn't even know that you were standing on the largest mountain in the solar system. Now, Olympus Mons has this distinct yet maybe unimpressive shape due to the way it was formed. You see, it's something called a shield volcano. Shield volcanoes don't have explosive eruptions, but rather form as the result of repeated effusive eruptions of very liquid lava flows that build upon one another. Perhaps the most famous examples of shield volcanoes on Earth are Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea in Hawaii. But although these Hawaiian volcanoes are absolutely huge compared to other mountains on Earth, they still pale in comparison to Olympus Mons. That's because Mars likely doesn't have mobile tectonic plates in the same way that Earth does. You see, on Earth, tectonic plates move over the hotspots that form shield volcanoes, meaning that no one volcano stays over a hotspot for very long, thus limiting its growth. But because Mars doesn't have those same mobile tectonic plates, Olympus Mons has basically just stayed stationary over the same hotspot, allowing it to grow indefinitely. Given the chance, would you visit Olympus Mons? Let me know in the comments and be sure to follow for more geography content.